to our YouTube channel, The Developing Youth. Today, this video is going to be very interesting for all of you, and it's about one of the top universities in Pakistan, the Aga Khan University. As a lot of students aren't aware of the admission details about Aga Khan University and have a lot of misconceptions about it regarding the fee structure, the merit details, and considering it much expensive as compared to the other medical universities in Pakistan. So we have got some very interesting details about it, and I hope that our goal to make your mind clear and make you all aware of such misconceptions and the importance of Aga Khan University gets fulfilled. So let's get started with our video. Why should we go for the Aga Khan University? Aga Khan University is one of the most prestigious institutes of the world. A degree from the Aga Khan University will prepare you for a successful career and give you the opportunity to become leaders in your chosen field. The university is known for its quality in education, research, and the non-denominational open merit-based admission policy. The Aga Khan University graduates are respected across the globe. They hold key positions in universities, hospitals, governments, and non-government organizations. Now, what is its ranking in Pakistan and the world? It is one of the top medical university in Pakistan. Aga Khan University was ranked among the top 100 universities in the medical field or research work in the world. Now, what campuses of Aga Khan universities do we have? Aga Khan campuses are in Pakistan, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, United Kingdom, and Afghanistan. Now, what are the programs that are offered at Aga Khan University? The Aga Khan University offers following programs: MBBS, BSc Nursing, Associate of Science in Dental Hygiene in Pakistan. Now, let's discuss one of the most vital and most important point, that is the eligibility criteria for the Aga Khan University test. And a lot of students are not aware of it, so let's have a look on it. So it's written in very clear words that 70% marks in FSC are required to appear in the test. टेस्ट के लिए अप्लाई करने के लिए, उसमें अपेयर होने के लिए और उसमें अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए all you need is 70% marks in FSC. Now, keeping it apart and separate from the admission, all you have to keep in your mind is that you have to get admission in Aga Khan University on the base of your test that you are going to take for Aga Khan University admission. So once you have applied for it, just make your mind and yourself focused on the test preparation and forget about your FSC marks for a moment, because the only thing that will make your path clear for the Aga Khan University is your test and not your FSC marks. I'm emphasizing this point again, that only to apply and appear in the test, 70% marks in FSC is required. But for the merit calculations, only your test marks would be considered. Now we have the admission schedule of Aga Khan University 2021. The Aga Khan University in Karachi MBBS admission schedule 2021, we have the online applications that have started from 19th of April and would end by 28th of July 2021. The admission test date is 29th of August 2021, and the interview and shortlisting would be done in September or October. The test centers in Pakistan are in Chitral, Faisalabad, Gilgit, Hyderabad, Karachi, Lahore, Multan, Peshawar, Quetta, Sakar, and Rawalpindi. It's not like you have to go to Karachi to attempt this test. These are the centers that are available in Pakistan, and all you have to do is to go there and attempt your test. Now we have the Aga Khan University admission test pattern. The total test time would be 2 hours and 15 minutes. The total questions would be 85. Basically, the test consists of two major portions. The first one is the science achievement component, and the second one is the science and maths reasoning component. There is no English portion in Aga Khan University admission test. Now, the first one is the science achievement component. The total questions would be 45 and the total marks would be 45. It has negative marking in it. Every wrong answer loses 0.25 marks. It has 3 subdivisions. In biology, we will have 15 questions. In chemistry, we will have 15 questions. And in physics, we will have 15 questions. Now, the second one is the science and maths reasoning component. The total questions would be 40 questions. The total marks would be 40. There is no negative marking in this section. It has 2 subdivisions. The science reasoning, it will have 20 questions, and math reasoning, it will have 20 questions. Now, we are going to discuss the Aga Khan University test difficulty level. The basic and conceptual MCQs of chemistry, physics, and biology would be included in the test. Moderate level test every year. Science reasoning, it involves the IQ level questions. No specific book for it, just have general knowledge for it. All you have to do is to be aware and to be informative about the basics that you have studied in your metric, in your FSC, in AO levels. And math reasoning will have the metric maths. Now we are going to discuss the scholarships and financial assistance offered by Aga Khan University. The top 300 candidates this year 327 get shortlisted to complete stage 2 requirements, including participation in the interviews and filling out academic and extracurricular achievements details. Based on academic grades, entry test scores, interviews, and stage 2 achievements forms, the top 100 students secure admission in the MBBS program at Aga Khan University. Out of these hundreds, only top 5 merit achievers get full scholarship. And considering the first 5 students who achieve the full scholarship, their first year of MBBS is totally free of cost. But if they want to have that scholarship further in the next years too, then they have to maintain their academic progress, or otherwise they will lose this opportunity. The most important and challenging is to get into the 100 students who secure admission. Once you get admission in Aga Khan University, it's fine even if you don't get into top 5 scholarships. The Aga Khan University will never let you withdraw due to your financial conditions. You can apply for financial assistance by providing all your financial details. They will tell you about it after the admission offer. For the students who are selected and are unable to pay for the cost of education, the university operates a needs-sensitive financial assistance program. Through this program, the university extends financial support to the extent possible to the students who secure admission to university programs but are not able to pay tuition and other fees. At the university, almost 50% of the student body has received financial assistance to support their education. Currently, the financial assistance is awarded in the form of a combination of grant and aid, non-repayable. You will not be required to return it, and the student loan you have to pay after 2 years of graduation in the form of installments according to your availability. The student loan is interest-free with an annual administrative charge of 5% from the time of the award of the student loan. Both the loan repayments and administrative charge are payable after graduation, so you don't need to worry about financial issues. Once you get an admission offer, they will facilitate you to the maximum extent. Now we have the frequently asked questions regarding Aga Khan University admission test. The total seats for MBBS. There are total 100 seats for MBBS at Aga Khan University. The fee structure for MBBS. The fee structure for MBBS at Aga Khan University is 26 lakh per year. The recommended books. The textbooks of board, the SAT 2 series, the past papers of Aga Khan University SAT 1 series for math, the test application fee, that is 6,800 PKR. On this platform, we will be sharing insights, tips, and resources that will help you in your journey towards success. Stay tuned to get updated. We appreciate your support and encouragement. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the updates. You can contact us through the email and Facebook as well. On Facebook, we have a page by the name of Entry Test Preparation 24/7 active. Here our email is also provided, which is medicalandengineering123@gmail.com. gmail.com. If you have any queries related to Aga Khan University admission details, please let us know in the comment section, or you can mail us on our email that is provided here. Subscribe to our channel for more admission updates. You can also join our Facebook group where you can get access to admission details regarding different universities in Pakistan. Thank you so much for having me here. Have a great time. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.